Today we'll just be going through this paper. These are the questions that we have spotted for O-levels. We believe that these things will come out. This, I would say, is the only question in this entire paper that you're holding, right? That is a real data response question. When you do data response, what should you do before you even read? If I were you, whenever I see this kind of question where they give you information on the protons or electrons or mass or whatever, right? First thing to do, check your periodic table and tell yourself what element this is, okay? Eliminates a lot of confusion for yourself. These are very typical O-level questions, right? So what I want to give you is the confidence. If you're able to do this roughly 75%, you can get something like that in O-levels as well. Don't be careless. Don't be careless. Okay, once again, you see physical properties. Reminder, when you see physical property, right, you are looking at structure. First one, it says use information in the table. This is common phrase in your data response question, am I right? When you see they ask you for this, right, make sure you state the exact data points. For example here, if the question asks you to apply to a real life situation like this, they ask you why it is appropriate to use, right? Please write it back for them, explain why it is suitable. And don't just stop by saying, oh, so reaction is exothermic.